Well, there's national uproar over a show presented on BBC for mocking Indian culture. Jeremy Clarkson's Top Gear, which has courted controversy for insensitivity several times before, has the Indian High Commission up in arms. India now demanding an all-out apology from the BBC.
Jeremy Clarkson, the presenter of the BBC show Top Gear, has courted controversy once again. This time over the tasteless Christmas special shot in India for mocking Indian culture, leading the Indian High Commission to shoot off a protest letter to the BBC asking for an apology.
Jeremy Clarkson is one of those presenters who divide opinion right down the middle. Some people love him, others can't stand him. Some people find his humour quite robust, while others find it disgusting. He does have a habit of making faux-pas remarks, like he once called the former Prime Minister Gordon Brown a one-eyed idiot. He had to apologise for that.
Jeremy is no stranger to controversy. Days ago, he was criticised for joking about the death of 23 Chinese cockle pickers. And that's not all. He evoked outrage with his comment on a television interview that public sector workers in the UK who went on a strike in November should be executed in front of their families. The question now is, with the Indian High Commission stepping in, will the BBC offer a prompt apology? Or will the row escalate and assume diplomatic proportions? With Simrat Ghuman in London, Munmun Bhattacharya for Times Now.